Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can register for the IEEE Extreme competition. First of all, you have to visit this website IEEEextreme.org. The website link will be available in the video description. The next step would be click on this register now button. Then you have to select register as a participant from here. Then we will be directed to this page and it will prompt us to log in to their system. So you must have an IEEE account in order to participate for this competition. And also you must have an active IEEE membership. If you don't have an IEEE membership, I'll link the video which I guide you through the how you can get the IEEE membership via video in the video description too. So I will click on this sign into your IEEE account link from here. Then I should enter my username, email address and password to sign in to IEEE. After I sign in, I'll be directed to the first page of our registration form. In here, because I'm going to participate for the competition, I'll select this teams option. As the next step, you can read all these instructions over here. Because I have read them already, I'll simply go through the list. So first of all, I should select a team name. I'll enter team name, and then I should select my university from here. So in here it has already been filled for me, so in case it doesn't autofill, you just have to select University of Moratuwa from here. Let me select it. So this is the one, so I'll just select. After that, you should select your the location of your university. So in this case the country is Sri Lanka, so you should select Sri Lanka from here. And then the zip code will be automatically filled already. If it hasn't automatically filled, just enter 10 and 400. So that's the zip code of our university. And then we should enter the team administrator details, but it will be automatically filled because you are going to be the administrator. You just have to select your experience from here. I'll select 2 years or maybe 3 years, but you can enter whatever you like. The next step would be to add another member to this team. You can have a team of up to 3 people when you are registering for the IEEE Extreme competition. You can simply select team administrator and simply select another proctor from this list and then submit. But in this case, I'm going to show you how you can add another member to your team. So you just have to select this add member option and then enter the member number of your participant. So you should ask from your teammates for their IEEE member number. So in this case, I'll select enter and number. This is one of my colleagues, and then I should select experience for them too. So and then all I have to do is click on this save. Then you will see that the member will be added to this team, and you can see all the information about them already filled over here. In case you need another member, you can simply add member from here again. Then you have to select a proctor from this list, or you can simply enter proctor member number if you have a proctor member number already. So in this list you can find some of the lecturers in our university, and in case you don't find someone you don't know, maybe you are reluctant to select one of these, you can ask one of your professors which you already know to be the proctor of yours, and then you can ask for his IEEE membership number, and you just have to enter that proctor member number over here. In case you can't find any proctor, you can simply contact one of our colleagues from the contacts we have provided in the video description. Feel free to ask for any questions if you have any problems regarding this registration process. After you have completed all of these information, let me select a proctor 2. You can simply click on the submit button to register for the competition. When you submit those details, team members will receive an email from IEEE saying that you have registered for you have registered them for your team, and they should confirm their registration and participation too. And also your proctor should approve your to be the proctor of you too. So all you have to do is all they have to do is they should like confirm their participation and also being a proctor of you, and then your team will be registered accordingly. So if you have any troubles or any questions regarding this registration with IEEE Extreme registration, feel free to contact one of our colleagues. Thank you.